everyone. From this activity, my assigned region is Region 2, Cagayan Valley. The canonical author I choose is F. Sionel Jose. One of the most respected Filipino writers in English, he is known for writing stories that reflect the lives, struggles, and dream of the ordinary Filipino. Let me first introduce the author. F. Sionel Jose was born on December 3, 1924, in Rosales, Pangasinan. He became one of the country's most celebrated writers because his novel focuses on Philippine history, poverty, social injustice, and challenges faced by many Filipinos. His work has been translated into different languages, making them known not only in the Philippines but in also around the world. Now, let me discuss the two his notable work. The first is Poon, published in 1984. It is the first book in the Rosales saga. The novel tells the story of Eustaquio Istac Samson, a Filipino who experienced many hardships during the Spanish colonial period. Throughout the story, he shows courage, determination, and hope despite the difficulty he faces. The novel teaches readers the importance of perseverance, family, and freedom. Second notable work in The Pretenders, published in 1962. It tells the story of Antonio Samson, a man who dreams of having a better life through education. However, as he entered the world of the rich and powerful, he realizes the greed, corruption, and social inequality can influence people's choices. The novel reminds us that true success should always be guided by honesty, integrity, and respect for others. I believe the works of F. Sionel Jose become notable because they present the reality of Filipino life. His stories are meaningful because they discuss real social issues such as poverty, injustice, corruption, and inequality. Even though these books were written many years ago, the lessons they teach are still relevant today. His writing encourages readers to think critically about society and inspire them to become responsible citizens. As a student, I believe that younger generations should continue studying and appreciating the works of authors from the past, the present, and even emerging writers of the future. Literature helps us understand our history, culture, and identity as Filipino. It also teaches us important values such as empathy, respect, courage, and critical thinking. By reading Filipino literary works, we preserve our culture and continue learning from the experiences of those who came before us. In conclusion, F. Sionel Jose made a great contribution to Filipino literature through his inspiring and meaningful works. His stories continue to educate and inspire readers of all generations. As young Filipinos, it is the responsibility to appreciate and support our literature because it reflects who we are as people. Thank you for watching.